At this point, my MacBook looked really dirty. You can tell all the stains even on the screen. So let's clean it up. Let's start with the first component, which is the screen. We're gonna lay down our MacBook like this. Then we're gonna get our rag a little wet like this. Then we're gonna start cleaning up. With the dry side of the rag, let's clean it the excess of the water. And this is what I call a clean screen. Let's do our keyboard. And we continue with the whole laptop. So let's do the top, clean it really good, and the dry side should work really fine. And let's do the back part of it really clean, and that's our outcome, really clean computer.